Okay, so hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2962, that is count subarrays where maximum element appears at least k times, and in this we'll be given an integer array nums and a positive integer k, and we have to return the number of subarrays where the maximum element of nums appear at least k times in that subarray, and a subarray is a contiguous sequence of elements written within an array. Okay, so for example, in this case we are in 1 3 2 3 3, so the maximum element of this array is 3, and the condition is that it should appear at least 2 times. Okay, so all the possible arrays are 1 3 2 3, 1 3 2 3 3, then 3 2 3 and 3 2 3 3 and so on. So the output is 6. Okay, so for this what we'll be doing is we'll be using a sliding window, but firstly we'll be finding the maximum element across the subarray. Okay, so let's have variable max and initialize it with the minimum value, integer dot min underscore value, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be finding the minimum value. So for int num, in nums what we'll be doing is we'll be updating the maximum. Max will be equal to math dot maximum of num comma max, and then we'll be having the 2 pointers for the window, that is left equal to 0, my right will also be equal to 0, and we'll be just having one count variable to store them to calculate the maximum frequency within that subarray of the maximum element. So to count the frequency of the element which is maximum, as we have already defined it, so we'll be updating this count is directly related to max, and we'll be having a long answer because the return type is long, that will be initialized to 0. Okay, so now what we'll be doing is that while my right is less than the length of the nums dot length, what will I'll be checking that if my nums right is equal to maximum element, I'll be doing a count plus plus, and then I'll be checking that if my frequency is greater than or equal to k, that means these are the valid subarrays. So I'll be doing that while my count is greater than or equal to k, what I'll be basically having is I'll be updating my answer variable here only, that will be the total number of subarrays possible will be nums dot length minus my current right pointer, and here I'll be checking that if my nums left is greater is equal to my maximum, I'll be doing count minus minus, and else what I'll be doing, I'll be making my left plus plus. Okay, and at the end right plus plus, and at the end I'll be just returning my answer variable. Okay, so now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.